Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to force restart your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So first thing first, press volume up down, then volume up down button, then volume down button, and keep pressing power button. So let's see, volume up down, volume up, volume down, and press power button. Let's start again, volume up, volume down, and press. Yep, don't do slide to power off, just wait about 5 seconds. Yep, so it's done. Now you will see Apple logo, and just wait until your iPhone restart. So it's all done. Hope you enjoy, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.